If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around here in 1962. The Negroes in Albany, Georgia decided to straighten their backs up. And whenever men and women straighten their backs up, they are going somewhere, because a man can't ride your back unless it is bent. If I had sneezed.
Good frosty, cold Martin Luther King Jr. Day morning. It's cold as hell outside, and you may hear the slow ambiance noise of my car, Betsy, appearing to attempt to warm up because it's that damn cold. However, today, because I couldn't film indoors, my ring light broke. If you watched my last video, you would know that. And I'm awaiting a replacement one, hopefully to come this week via Amazon. I am going to take the liberty of actually going to check out the newest addition to the Target Black-owned beauty brands family, which is Bakerie. I personally have never shopped this brand. I'm familiar with it because it used to, or I'm sorry, not used to, it actually still is in Ulta. In spite of the fact that I'm a frequent Ulta shopper, this brand I would see kind of in passing, but I never really gravitated towards purchasing anything. So this is going to be interesting for me to see exactly what products they have brought over to Target, or what Target exclusives did Beauty Bakerie make. And what a better day to do it than MLK Day. Get a little Black beauty history knowledge going. So I will see you guys at the door. guys. So first and foremost, excuse the mask indentation in my face. Obviously I just came out of the store, so I needed to wear it. Wasn't that like some really amazing Black history products and displays that Target had? Like, I really enjoy shopping at Target. I feel like, honestly, they're one of the most genuine, inclusive companies that are out there. I mean, they got their display together, honey. We're not even in the month of February, but that just goes to show how much they cater to and how much they are, you know, participating in Black awareness, you know, Black excellence. Honestly, going into a Target, I could have seen that display in my mind anyway. I could see that sort of like display full of Black creators and Black brands any day of the year, not just necessarily, you know, MLK Day or in February. So that's what I am hoping to see more of as time goes on, is more inclusive brands and not just ones that are putting it on as, you know, a performance piece, such as a lot of the shit that we saw last summer with all of these brands, you know, having the blackout squared and Black Lives Matter, and that was performance art, because the moment that, you know, it seemed as though there was something else to jump on, another trend, as if we're a trend anyway, to jump on, then they were gone and they forgot about us, and you stopped seeing Black beauty, you know, girls and Black beauty boys featured on their pages. You stopped hearing about a lot of the PR that was being provided to us. So, you know, a lot of it was performance. But anyway, I'm a little bummed because I was hoping to actually, you know, give you guys a visual of the Beauty Bakerie's display in Target. But what I was just informed, and mind you, I drove like 25 miles away from where I'm staying to get to this Target, because not all Targets sell it at this point. But I was just informed that although this Target had my pickup for Beauty Bakerie, they have not yet put their display out. They are anticipating putting the display out sometime this week, but it just has not been put up yet. But I was able to grab some products from them, like I said, in their online in-store pickup. So I got, this is, and from what I was seeing, everything thus far, with the exception of like their utensils / makeup brushes, because you know everything is kind of baker themed. So outside of their utensils / brushes, everything that I saw, at least what was listed online, appears to be bite size. I don't remember seeing that sort of verbiage at Ulta for their brand, but I'm assuming that's because this brand is more exclusive for Target. But I was able to get a palette. This is their Get That Dough, more neutral, warm toned, smoky eyed eyeshadow palette. And this is a 9 colored palette, 9 shade palette. You get 3 shimmers and 2 for 6 mattes. This one was $13. It says for a comfy, chill look, which is perfect for the times that we are in. Especially for me, I'm tending to gravitate more towards neutrals, more towards mattes, just because having to wear a mask everywhere, I still sometimes want to look done up, but I don't necessarily, you know, feel like going full on glam and running the risk of something transferring onto my face mask. And the second product, oh, and I don't know if I said it or not, but this was $13. And this one, this is Beauty Bakerie as well. This is their bite-sized liquid lipstick, and it's matte. This shade is called Nude Chilla, and this is what it looks like. outside of the container. I believe this one was $11 as well. So that's that. And the last product that I purchased from Beauty Bakerie at Target is their Smackaroon bronzer. This one is described as bite size as well. And this shade is in I Don't Give a Sip. This one was $11. And of course, I could not purchase something from the Black History Month display. Like all of those designers and creators that they had featured just really inspired me. I'm going to probably wear my t-shirt during my next video. I'm definitely going to use this, which I am excited about because I needed a new one. So yes, I picked up the 2021 planner. This is a 12-month planner. It has a little ruler in it. It has a folder for like all of your little stuff. And yes, those of us who paper plan, we have to have our stickers. So this one has stickers. And it's really cute, actually. It's really, really cute. This one was, oops, where's the receipt? This one was $14.99. And I could not get a shirt. I love the capsule shirt, Mess in a Bottle. If any of you guys follow SJR or Sarah Jakes Roberts, her podcast, or even on her Instagram, for the month of January, the word of the month is mess. And it just talks, she just uses that word to describe that change is messy. You have to go through some mess in order to get out on the other side, and on the other side will be change. Change is not always clean, it's not always proper, but it's so necessary. So when I saw this and it said mess in a bottle, that resonated with me because of that message. And the t-shirt that I got, it is amazing. It says angry black woman, and angry is scratched out, right? So it goes strong black woman, bold black woman, passionate black woman, courageous black woman, ambitious black woman, driven black woman, powerful black woman, confident black woman, fierce black woman, wise black woman, educated black woman, assertive black woman. Period. All of that and some. So I definitely had to support. I am super excited to try this shirt out. And, well, not try it out, but actually wear it on my next video whenever Amazon feels the need to have mercy on me and release my new ring light, since my previous one broke, which is why I basically had to do this entire video in my vehicle in the Target parking lot. But I mean, it could have been worse, right? But in any event, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it was rather short and it's in my vehicle, cut me some slack. Technical difficulties happen. Give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share. Feel free to like. Feel free to leave comments on this great MLK Day, MLK 2021. Guys, be safe out here. If you are out, enjoying it, trying to take in some Black History moments, trying to create some new Black History moments, just be safe. Please be safe. There's many devils out here that are trying to steal our joy right now. Don't allow it. Stay vigilant, stay safe, wear your mask, and as always, I will see you guys next time.